Yeah, yeah, yeah! Okay. Nice. That's nice. There it is. That's the double pump. There you go. Get a bigger one. There you go. Good. Yeah, yeah, yeah! That was nice!
It's cold! Backwards! Oh. Hot means cold, cold means hot on this one. Oh. Whew. I'm gonna rinse these spray skirts off, get all that chlorine off them. Whew. Clean it up, guys. Rinse those spray skirts off. Come on, you nuts. Did you do it already? Ah. Hey!
Look, this is for old people.
I'm gonna turn it. Hey, get out of my shower. That one's mine. That one is mine.
That was one.
I feel like I'm talking to Ellie. Come on, nut. Oh, the camera's fogging. You got water all over it. You turn that to cold, and I'm gonna come over there now. Ah! 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 Hey! Oh! Brody, come on! Hey!
It's warm! It's warm! It's warm! It's warm! It's warm again! It's warm!
Oh! I'm cold! Not funny. Not funny. I'm like cold on me. The love here for Dad.
Naked man came in the shower, so we had to stop. I had to stop recording. Probably wouldn't have been a good idea to film that guy. He was very mad. Hey, who took my towel? Give me a towel.
This is my towel.
Give me a towel. No. Come on, give me a stinking towel.
Dad, you're the only naked man in this locker. Hey!
I'm not. There's a naked man in the shower.
You're one of them.
No, wasn't me
So
either.
you can complain because you're naked too.
Wasn't me.
Get off me!